The second reload I'm going to show you is called an emergency reload. Other people call it different things. I use the term emergency because when I'm out of rounds in a gunfight, I consider that an emergency. So what that means is you're out here shooting, bang, 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 you run dry. Slide lock, what you want to do is you're going to take your magazine out, finger on the tip of the bullet, same as the speed reload. You're going to come right here 1 or 2 inches away, drop that one, insert this, come over the top, release the slide, get back in the fight. Let me show you that one more time. So you're here, bang, 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 bad guy is still a threat or maybe neutralized, but you realize that the slide is to the rear. I call this an emergency reload. You take your magazine, finger on the tip of the bullet, come right here, go over the top, you're right back in the fight.